Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I will discuss about earn $750 per day from Google Translate. Make money on Google, make money online. So guys, let's start our video by Monish from Hello guys. So today I am gonna show you how you can make money anywhere between $500 or seven $750 using Google Translators translate. Now it's gonna require a little bit of work at a little bit of thinking, but I'm gonna walk you through step by step, so make sure you're paying close attention. Here I am gonna teach you how to make money using Google Translate. So check this out. I make daily articles suggestion you how to make some extra money online, or how to make some extra money with your smartphone. So if you want to make more money guys, so let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're gonna do is go over to Google and you're gonna types the website. It's called Latumium. It's gonna be the second one that pops up. Go ahead and click on the one right there where it says freelancing. And guys, real quick before we get all to into this, I got a special bonus that I'm gonna give to you inside my article. Now let's get back into it. So you're gonna go to the website right there called Lithium, and what this website does is a post of weekly job that you can come in and start completing for extra money. So check this out. If scroll down to the bottom, they post online jobs on just about everything. So basically your basic surveys, graphic design, YouTube banners and audio. So if you like to make music or videos, you can come out here and start doing these sample jobs to make some extra money. But like I mentioned, today we're gonna focus of on translating and languages. So it's very simple to get started, and the way it work guys. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna browse through the projects like I just mentioned. They post all these job upright there. You're gonna browse through the job, select the jobs to start getting paid. As you're gonna go ahead and complete the project, complete it, submit it, get back to the person that had hired you. saw number there, you can start getting paid. So it's very simple guys. Browse to the projects, choose one completed and get paid. Now sync up. All you have to do is scroll to the top, click right there where it says sign up, and after that you can sign up using some basic info like your name, your email, and creating a username so you can get your profile created. Once you do that, you're gonna want to go back to the home page and start browsing through all the projects so you can start making some money. So click right there where is it says browse, and then click on projects right there. So again, so read more. So guys, for more information visit money earning point in. More article by this other. Make money online by typing names. Makes $400 coloring photo online. Get earn $60 per hour. Get paid to read book. So guys, today end this video here, and don't forget subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye and take care.